Okay, so for number 5, we're given a function that represents a cell culture growing. G is number of cells and T is measured in days. For A, we have to compute G prime of T. We have to figure out what units are associated with the derivative and what does it measure. So for A, first we have to find the derivative, and since we have g of t and we find g prime of t, and since e of t, the derivative of e of t is always itself, so we just get the same function, and that's measured in cells per day. Any value for t that you put in here we measure in cells per day, because that's like the growth rate. That's what it measures. It measures the rate of change of the function. Okay, and then for part B, on the time interval from 0 to 4, when is the growth rate of g of prime the least and when is it the greatest? So we're just going to plug in for all of these values from 1 to 4, and we're going to see that it's just an increasing function. So there's nothing special about it. It just gets the higher the t is. So the longer the cells stay in the culture or whatever, the larger the more cells there are. So we know that since 0 is the beginning of the interval, it's the smallest number that you can put into t. That's going to be that's going to be the least, and then 4 is going to be the greatest because that's the biggest. And yeah.